Hello guys, and welcome to Graduated Pipette 101, and today we'll be learning how to read and use a graduated pipette. Graduated or serological pipettes are used to measure and transfer volumes of liquid above 1 milliliter. Serological pipettes come in many sizes with volumes ranging from 1 to 50 milliliters. In this class, you use 1, 5, and 10 milliliter pipettes. Each pipette is labeled to indicate the style of pipette, the size, and measurement graduations. Looking at the top end of the pipette, the double rings indicate that this is a blowout style pipette. This means the last drop of liquid must be blown out to accurately deliver the full volume of the pipette. The size and measurement graduations of the pipette are also visible. This is a 10 milliliter pipette. The 1/10 means that each graduated line indicates the volume to the tenths place. This is a 5 milliliter pipette with increments in the tenths place. This is a 1 milliliter pipette. The graduation of this pipette are in the hundredths place. Serological pipettes have two scales, one for filling and the other side for dispensing. Either side may be read as long as you understand what the numbers are measuring. Looking at a 10 milliliter pipette, you can see that the 10 fill side has a 10 milliliter marking. At the top, the dispensing side has a 0 on the same location. In order to measure and transfer liquid, a pipette pump will be used. The pipette pumps used in the laboratory are syringe-style pipette pumps. There are two different pipette pumps in the lab. The blue pipette is used for either the 1 or 5 milliliter pipettes. The green pipe pump may be used for either 5 or 10 milliliter pipettes. Parts of the pump include a gasket that attaches to the pipette, an exhaust valve used to expel the solution, a dial used to adjust the amount of solution transferred, and a plunger used to blow out any remaining solution. Now I will demonstrate how to properly use the graduated pipette. Choose a pipette pump that matches the pipette you will be using. In this demonstration, we'll be using a 10 milliliter pipette and a green pipette pump. Open the wrapper at the top and insert the pipette into the gasket of your pipette pump by pressing and twisting firmly. Remove the pipette from the wrapping. Now, insert the pipette into the solution to be transferred. Using your thumb, roll the dial down to lick up the liquid. Bring the liquid slightly above the desired volume first. Then, using the dial, slowly lower the liquid until the meniscus is lined up with the desired volume of the solution. In this demonstration, 6.5 milliliters of solution has been drawn up as shown by the graduations on the filling side of the pipette. Notice that the bottom of the meniscus is red to determine the volume. Move the pipette to the target container. Press on the exhaust valve to transfer the contents of the pipette. When finished, any remaining solution can be blown out by pressing down on the plunger. Some important reminders. Never use your mouth to suck up liquid into a pipette. When aspirating liquid, be careful not to drop liquid beyond the graduations. Aspirating the liquids into the cotton and beyond will affect your final volume and may damage the pump. Keep your pipette vertical. Holding the pipette horizontally can cause the liquid to flow into the cotton plug and affect the final volume delivered. When measuring volume in a pipette, always use the bottom of the meniscus when reading the volume. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this Serological Pipette 101 class. Hope you guys have an amazing semester.